Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to public a GitHub repository. First, navigate to GitHub and click the New Repository button. Give your project a clear, descriptive name, then select the public option to make it accessible to everyone. It's also a good idea to initialize it with a README file. This provides an immediate overview of your project for visitors. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Once your repository is created on GitHub, you'll want to get your project files into it. Start by cloning the repository to your local computer using the provided URL. Then, simply copy your project files into this new local folder. Next, open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to your project directory, and use git add to stage all your changes. Finally, commit these staged files with a descriptive message, like initial commit of project files. With your files committed locally, the next step is to push them to your public GitHub repository. Make sure your local repository is correctly linked to its remote counterpart. Then, execute the command git push origin main in your terminal. This action uploads all your committed changes from your local machine to GitHub. After the push completes, visit your repository on the GitHub website to confirm that all your files are now visible and up to date for everyone to see. Managing your public repository effectively is key to its success. Encourage collaboration by reviewing pull requests from contributors. Use the Issues tab to track bugs, feature requests, and other tasks. When developing new features or fixing bugs, always create separate branches to keep your main branch stable. Finally, include a clear open-source license, such as MIT or Apache 2.0, to define how others can use and contribute to your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.